Honda put a turbocharged, direct injection engine in the 10th and 11th generation Civic, and most guys driving these cars have no idea that the oil they've been running, or the oil the quick lube shop put in last time, is not what Honda's engineers validated for that engine. What Honda hides in a footnote buried in the maintenance section of the owner's manual is a specification that narrows down your oil choice significantly. And ignoring it is slowly costing your engine something you won't get back. If you drive a Honda Civic, particularly a 2016 and newer Civic with the 1.5 turbo, or a 2022 and newer Civic Si or Type R, this video will tell you what oil you should be running, what it costs, and why the cheap stuff the shop uses can cause a problem specific to your engine. Let me start with what makes the Honda Civic's engine demand a specific oil profile.
The 1.5-liter turbocharged direct injection four-cylinder in the 10th and 11th generation Civic is a sophisticated, highly stressed small engine making more power per liter than most V8 trucks on the road. Direct injection means the fuel is sprayed directly into the cylinder rather than into the intake port. Turbocharged means the combustion gases are being recycled under pressure to force more air into the engine. That combination creates two specific oil-related concerns. First, direct injection engines are prone to intake valve deposits because the intake valves don't get washed by fuel the way they do in port injection engines. Oil vapor from the PCV system deposits on the valves and builds up over time. Second, the 1.5 turbo Civic has a documented fuel dilution issue in short-trip cold-weather driving, where raw fuel from the direct injection system condenses in the crankcase and thins the oil. Honda has issued technical service bulletins about this and addressed it through engine management updates. But oil quality still plays a role in how well the engine handles the diluted oil before it vaporizes out on longer drives. Honda's published oil specification for the 1.5 turbo Civic is Honda Genuine Motor Oil, or an equivalent that meets the Honda HTO-06 specification, which in practical terms means a full synthetic 0W20 with specific viscosity characteristics at both cold and hot temperatures. The current HTO-06 specification aligns closely with the API-SP standard, but Honda specifically calls for 0W20 viscosity for the 1.5 turbo. Not 5W20, not 5W30, 0W20. The lower cold start viscosity in 0W20 is important for this engine because the tight turbocharger bearing clearances require fast oil flow at cold startup, and the lighter operating viscosity helps with fuel efficiency in an engine engineered around very tight parasitic loss targets. My number one pick for Honda Civic owners with the 1.5 turbo is Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W20. Here's why. The gas-to-liquids base oil in Pennzoil Platinum produces measurably lower deposit formation in direct injection engines in standardized GDI testing, which is exactly the application where Civic owners struggle with intake valve deposits. The lower impurity content in the natural gas-derived base stock means fewer combustion byproducts feeding the deposit buildup cycle. Pennzoil Platinum also carries ILSAC GF6A certification in 0W20, which is the full API-SP compliant formulation for passenger cars. You'll find the 5-quart jug of Pennzoil Platinum 0W20 at Walmart for about $24 to $26. For the runner-up, Honda Genuine Motor Oil 0W20 Full Synthetic is worth mentioning because it's the oil Honda themselves supply and validate. It's available at Honda dealerships for about $8 to $9 per quart, which is expensive compared to aftermarket options. But for Civic owners who want to use Honda's own validated product, it's a legitimate choice.
The OEM oil has been tested in the actual Honda engine and carries the factory approval. For everyday Civic owners, Pennzoil Platinum at Walmart pricing is the better value, with comparable or better deposit protection. For the budget pick, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 0W20 at about $22 to $24 is the sensible choice for Civic owners watching their budget. Now, for the one oil I'd tell Honda Civic owners to avoid. Any non-0W20 viscosity in the 1.5 turbo, even if it's a high-quality brand. I've seen shops default to 5W30 in Civics because that's what they stock for their truck customers, and they didn't check the Honda spec before pouring.
Running 5W30 in an engine that calls for 0W20 increases cold start oil viscosity in a turbocharged engine with tight bearing clearances, slows oil delivery to the turbocharger bearings in those critical first seconds after a cold start, and slightly increases the parasitic friction load that Honda's fuel economy engineering worked to minimize. Always check the oil cap. The 1.5 turbo Civic says 0W20 right on it. Here's my final call for Civic owners. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 0W20 at Walmart, $24 to $26 for a 5-quart jug. Honda's 1.5 turbo holds about 3.5 to 4 quarts, so one 5-quart jug gives you enough for the change with a small reserve. Change interval. Follow Honda's oil life monitor, which typically lands at 5,000 to 7,000 miles for normal service. Pair it with a Honda OEM filter from the dealership or an equivalent quality aftermarket filter. Don't stretch the interval past what the monitor recommends. The fuel dilution issue in cold climate short trip driving makes staying on schedule even more important for this engine. I've linked the Pennzoil Platinum 0W20 and the Valvoline Advanced 0W20 in the description below. Next time I'm going through Pennzoil versus Shell Helix, two Shell-owned brands, and explaining why the same parent company produces two very different oil recommendations depending on what market you're buying in. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.